How to connect Instagram to Discord account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. First and foremost, launch a preferred browser in your device and search for Discord. Select on the first option, that is Discord. Select on the option of Open Discord, that is at the top. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged in into a Discord account. If you have not yet, make sure to log in. Then head to your user settings. In your left hand side, you will see some of the options. Select on Connection. Expand this Add Account option. Now in here, you should find the option of your Instagram. You will see our Instagram logo in here. If not, just select on the domain option and you can add your profile URL of your Instagram. By this way, you'll be able to connect your Instagram to your Discord account. The benefit of this is that your Instagram followers, the people that you follow, will be able to check out your Discord account and you will be able to add them in your server and they would be able to do so as well. Isn't that simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of Discord. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you.